Mathematics. The word originated from ancient Greek mathema, means that which is learnt. Its adjective is mathematikos, meaning related to learning or studious, which likewise further came to mean mathematical. Mathematica is a Latin word meant the mathematical art. Before going to the video, if you are new or not subscribed, please subscribe by pressing the bell button. The great Thiruvalluvar said, "Numbers, letters are two eyes of men." திருவள்ளுவர் தனது 392வது குறளில் எண்ணென்ப ஏனை எழுத்தென்ப இவ்விரண்டும் கண்ணென்ப வாழும் உயிர்க்கு என்று அழகாக கூறுகின்றார். Numbers and letters are the two eyes of men. விளக்கம், எண்ணும் இலக்கியமும் இவ்வுலகில் வாழும் ஒவ்வொரு மனிதனுக்கும் மிக அவசியம். Numbers means counting. Letters means literature. Without numbers you can count. Without literature the world is dumb. So both are indispensable to the universe. What is mathematics? Mathematics is the science and study of quality, structure, space and change. Mathematicians seek out new patterns, formulate new conjectures, and establish truth by rigorous deduction from appropriately chosen axioms and definitions. It is an area of knowledge that includes topics as numbers, formulas, and related structures, shapes, and the spaces in which they are contained, and quantities and their changes. Most of the mathematical activity involves the discovery of properties of abstract objects and the use of pure reason to prove them. Algebra, geometry, and analysis are those topics represented in modern mathematics with the major subdisciplines of a number theory. Hence, mathematics is essential in the natural sciences, engineering, medicine, finance, computer science, and the social sciences. The history of mathematics. It's an ever-growing series of abstractions. First thing, how to count physical objects. Prehistoric people may have also known how to count abstract quantities like time, days, seasons, or years. The oldest mathematical texts from Mesopotamia and Egypt are from 2000 to 1800 BC. The early texts mention Pythagorean triples. Pythagorean theorem seems to be the most ancient and widespread mathematical concept after basic arithmetic and geometry. It is in Babylonian mathematics that elementary arithmetic, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division first appear in the archaeological record. The Babylonians also possessed a place value system and used a sexagesimal numerical system which is still in use today for measuring angles and time. Euclid, around 300 BC, was an ancient Greek mathematician active as a geometer and logician, considered the father of geometry. He is chiefly known for the Elements treatise, which established the foundations of geometry that largely dominated the field until the early 19th century. Euclid gave the proof of a fundamental theorem of arithmetic, that is, every positive integer greater than 1 can be written as a prime number or is itself a prime number. For example, 35 is equal to 5 into 7. So Euclid was the first one to state there are infinitely many prime numbers, which is also known as Euclid's theorem. Another great mathematician of antiquity is often held to be Archimedes. Born 287 BC, died 212 BC. Developed formulae for calculating the surface area and volume of solids of revolution and used the method of exhaustion to calculate the area under the arc of a parabola with the summation of an infinite series in a manner not too similar from a modern calculus. Other notable achievements of Greek mathematics are conic sections, Apollonius of Perga, 3rd century BC, trigonometry, Hipparchus of Nika, 2nd century BC, and the beginnings of algebra, Diophantus, 3rd century AD. The Hindu-Arabic numeral system and the rules for the use of its operations are in use throughout the world today. It evolved over the course of the first millennium AD in India and were transmitted to the Western world via Islamic mathematics. Notable developments of Indian mathematics include the modern definition and approximation of a sine and cosine and an early form of infinite series. Most notable achievement of Islamic mathematics was the development of algebra. Other achievements of the Islamic period includes advances in spherical trigonometry and the addition of the decimal point to the Arabic numeral system. In the 19th century, the German mathematician Carl Gauss, who made numerous contributions to the fields such as algebra, analysis, differential geometry, matrix theory, number theory, and statistics. Carl Gauss, sometimes called Prince of Mathematics. 0 is the first whole number in our number system. The single number has changed the way we pursue maths and science. Without 0, we would have no financial accounting or calculus. In fact, we wouldn't even have the numbers like the present day ones. Like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. Wait for great mathematicians in the next video.